Alright, welcome to Crypto Money Guru, and please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon and share the video so that whenever I update new video about the current market of cryptocurrency, then instantly you get message notification about the updates and new videos and what's going in the crypto market. Right now we are in red zone at market is at 1.52 trillion. It's 10% down, but it's not to worry because it's a behavior of crypto market. And today is Friday, and you know that on Friday, Saturday and Sunday mostly crypto market comes to red zone most times. So may it is the time to invest in your good crypto assets, because you already saw that many times Polymatic uh, come to $1, or maybe last few days ago it was around 80 cent, but suddenly as the market start jumping and started its jumps, and it again reached to more than $2. And similar, Cardano was around $1, and right now it's 1.49 cent, $1.49. And market, yes, market is down. Bitcoin is struggling to hold itself for more than 35%, but 35,000. But so lot of FUDs coming, lot of bad news, negative news are coming, but those news are spread by those people who don't want, who want to get the who want to get your bitcoins at lower price. Yes, they want to grab your bitcoin at lower price. That's why they try to push down the market. They try to down the market. They try to spread the negative news against the market. And so today I will show you about the negative or positive news, and what is the future of Bitcoin and other crypto assets. What will be the future? But as per my prediction, as per my, Bitcoin will definitely go to 100k very soon in next future. In future, yes, 100k. I am clearly very bullish on it that 100k definitely the price will come to the 100k zone. Yes. And okay, so what are the news which is pushing down the market? Yes, the newses are, first is you can see it's a positive news. Fund manager Wisdom Tree files with the securities to list Ethereum ETF on Cboe BZX exchange. Yes, the financial asset manager Wisdom Tree is now the second institution to file for an Ethereum based exchange traded fund, following VanEck's recent filing on May 7. The recently filed S1 with the US Securities and Exchange Commission says the fund's investment objective is to gain exposure to the price of Ether. Yes. And this is some negative news, but it will not most affect on the market. BOJ, Bank of Japan's Koda criticizes Bitcoin. Central bank governor says trading is barely used by settlement. Following the recent developments in China and the environmental concerns about Bitcoin's energy consumption, the Bank of Japan governor Haruchiko Haruchiko Haruchiko, yes, Kuroda criticized the leading crypto asset Bitcoin is an interview on Thursday. Yes, so it will temporarily affect the market. It will temporarily affect the Bitcoin, as these people or those who want to grab our Bitcoin in at low price, as they will get our Bitcoin, as they will buy the dips, then the market will again run. So as many time I told, many time I suggested that if we common person never, we just decide that we will never sell our single crypto asset or in any market condition. We will never sell our Bitcoin in any market condition, like market will down or up. Then how they will get the Bitcoin? Then what will the effect on the news? If we don't want to sell our assets, then what? Then why will they will spread the news? So now the PocketNet and PocketCoin are set to change the internet forever with crypto and P2P tech. PocketNet is fundamentally new way to build a social media platform powered by cryptocurrency. PocketCoin, it's a mix of traditional social media platform and Bitcoin with some cutting edge new feature such as ability to auction off your content through NFT scars. PocketNet is a proof of stake token that allows authors to earn crypto for their content and projects and protects them from arbitrary censorship through community moderation. Blockchain tracks reputation and high reputation a user moderate and platform. So many, as you know, as you see that many new projects are coming to the blockchain industry, and many different type of services are coming to the blockchain industry, because blockchain is a future, decentralized industry is a future. So your crypto now it's a positive news, your crypto will never go anywhere. So hold your Bitcoin very tight, and definitely you will see the Bitcoin's price with 100k soon. But don't panic selling, because intentionally these type of negative news are paid news mostly and spreading by fake media persons or something like those who don't want that common man hold the Bitcoin or other crypto assets. Billionaire Carl Icahn over diving into cryptocurrency is a big wave with about 1.5 billion investment. Billion investor Carl, the founder of Lacan Enterprises, say that his company is exploring how to get involved in cryptocurrency is in a relatively big way, which he said could be an investment of about 1.5 billion. So many billionaires are coming to the crypto market to invest their money to make huge profits. So you can see that what will be the future of Bitcoin and other crypto assets, good crypto assets, and it's new. This news is positive, and around 2 hours ago it was in the air on the internet. PayPal to allow cryptocurrency withdrawals to third-party wallets. So it's another positive news. Payment gain. PayPal will soon allow its user to transfer cryptocurrencies away from its platform to third-party wallets. The company's head of cryptocurrency reportedly revealed PayPal has been seeing tremendous growth in its crypto business. PayPal to support crypto transfer to third-party wallet. So as the market is developing, blockchain is spreading all over the internet, more and more projects are launched on the internet. Banks and other big financial institutions are coming to the crypto mania to gain exposure, to get profits, and many billionaires are coming to the Bitcoin zone to make more and more money by investing in the Bitcoin, crypto, and other good crypto assets. And one of them crypto assets is Reef. It's a disclaimer that I have also invested in the Reef, and so right now at some loss, but it's not a loss because it's a temporary down, and I know that as the market condition will be good and in positive zone, then automatically Reef will again will be in uptrend. And right now it's Reef is listed in 58 exchanges right now, and one of them biggest exchange is Binance. You already know that Binance is Bitquest and good crypto exchange for liquidity. And Reef already have launched their mainnet on 28, and it's now in beta mode, as they will successfully deploy their every working projects. The Reef, then you will never able to catch the Reef price, because as per my price prediction, Reef will one day Reef will touch to $1. And that I can't predict when, but one day definitely it will go to $1, and then uh, you will remember these days, and you will very, if by mistake you will again see this video, then when I am recommending about to invest in Reef, then you will make that, oh, if I invested at that time. So this is the right opportunity, right time to buy at the dip, and enter in the good crypto assets for a long time. And it's your money, and risk will be your. And you already know that crypto market is a highly volatile market, and don't come for trading, always come for long time investment. Then only you will be able to make good money in future. And I'm not a financial advisor. I make videos for my hobbies. As I survey, I analyze the coins, I analyze the market, then I make the video for all of you. But before investing, do your own research, because money is, it's your money, and risk will be yours. So thank you. If you like the video, then please share the video with your friends on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, Twitter, so they can benefit too from this market dip, and by investing in good crypto assets like Reef. And also subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, so whenever I make a new video, you get the instant notification. And also make a good comment, and because your comment will help me a lot, and your like will help me a lot for my video. And thank you. Alvida, bye bye, namaskar.